Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your TD Bank debit card. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, take your new TD Bank debit card and confirm your name and the card number are printed correctly. Next, find the activation sticker or instructions on the front or back of the card if there is one. Then, locate the customer service phone number printed on the back of your TD Bank debit card. After that, prepare your card and have a pen and paper ready in case you need to note a confirmation code. Now, call the phone number on the back of the card from your mobile phone or a landline. When the automated system answers, choose the option for card activation if it is not selected automatically. Then, enter your card number using the phone keypad when the system asks for it. Next, enter your card expiration date exactly as it appears on the card. After that, enter the security code if requested, which is usually the 3-digit number on the back. Now, verify your identity by entering your zip code or the last 4 digits of your social security number if prompted. Then, listen carefully and confirm any details the system reads back to you. Next, wait for the message that says your TD debit card is now activated. After activation, hang up the call only after you hear the final confirmation or the call ends automatically. Now, sign the back of your card in the signature panel using a permanent pin. Next, choose and memorize a pin if the system asks you to set one during activation. If you were not asked to set a pin, you can set or change it later at a TD Bank ATM or through TD support. Now, download the TD Bank app on your phone if you want to manage your card easily. Then, sign into your TD account in the app or create online access if you are a first-time user. Next, open the card or account section and check that your new debit card shows as active. After that, enable alerts for card transactions so you can spot any unusual activity quickly. Now, make a small test purchase, like a snack or coffee, to confirm the card works. When paying, choose debit and enter your PIN. Or choose credit if you want to sign instead of using a PIN. Next, check the receipt and keep it until you see the transaction in your account. Then, open the TD app or online banking and confirm the test transaction appears correctly. If the card does not work, call the number on the back of the card again and ask for activation support. If your card is lost or you see suspicious activity, report it immediately and request a replacement card. Finally, store your card safely and never share your PIN, password, or one-time codes with anyone. Also, avoid activating or using your card on public Wi-Fi when entering sensitive information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.